Welcome to the Phoenix Pro Guide to Aruba Central. In this video, we'll show you how to add devices to your Aruba Central account using Cloud Activation Key. To retrieve your Cloud Activation Key from your Aruba switch, log on to the switch CLI and issue a command show activate provision. Copy the activation key, and while you're there, get the MAC address by issuing the command show system. To retrieve a cloud activation key from your Aruba Instant Access Point, log on to the IP Management interface, go to Maintenance and About, and copy your cloud activation key. To retrieve the MAC address, go to Access Points, select the access point and copy the MAC address. Now that you have your cloud activation key, you can log into your Aruba Central portal, go to Account Home, click on Device Inventory, select Advanced, and add more devices with Cloud Activation Key. Simply copy and paste your Cloud Activation Key and the MAC address and click on Add. After a few seconds, press F5 to refresh and you'll see your devices have been added to Central, along with any other devices that were purchased at the same time. This is a very convenient way to add multiple devices to your Aruba Central account. We hope you found this video useful. Please like, comment, subscribe and share. For access to more resources, visit phoenixpro.club.